How to activate your ASB card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can activate your ASB accounts card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your new credit card or your Visa debit card of ASB Bank, it's very simple. Now, first of all, I'll show you how you can activate your card through the ASB mobile app. As you can see, I'm on the official support page of ASB. That tells us that you need to log into your ASB mobile app. So go ahead and do that. Then open the More menu in the bottom bar, and once you've done that, just select the option called Cards and Devices. And once you select Cards and Devices, if you have more than one card, then select the card that you wish to activate. Then just click on the option called Update PIN, enter the security code for your card, and then enter your chosen PIN on the keypad. Then confirm your chosen PIN on the keypad as well. Now, to activate your card in Fastnet Classic, all you have to do is log into Fastnet Classic, and then once you've done that, in the top right hand corner, select your profile settings menu, and then just select the option called Card PIN. And if you have more than one card, select the card you wish to activate. Enter the security code for your card, and then just select Continue. Enter your chosen PIN on the keypad, and then enter your net code, which will be sent to your mobile device, and then just hit the Submit button. And after you do that, your card will be successfully activated. But rather than going through all of these hassles as I mentioned over here, there's also one simple short way to activate it, and that is just simply call them at the customer care. So you can see the number that is given here as well, which is 0800-803-804, or go into any ASB branch to actually create a PIN and then activate it just like that. Hopefully this video helps you answer the question as to how you can activate your ASB bank card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.